Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn one story from Unit 1 Friends Forever, second subtopic The Belly Button. Before going to the story, let's do one activity. Do as your teacher tells you. And the activity name is Simon Says. All of you follow my instructions. Tap your shoulders. Touch your nose. Touch your feet. Touch your belly button. Where it is? Yes, on your belly. Belly means abdomen. So, today's story name is The Belly Button. Let's go to introduce the characters of the story. There are 5 characters in the story. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First character is Bubble Bear. Second character is Timmy Tiger. Third character is Coco Cat. Fourth character is Mrs. Dog. Fifth character is Dr. Dog. Let's go to read the story. Open page number 8. There was a fancy dress party in the jungle. Bubble Bear and Timmy Tiger were there for the party. So there was a fancy dress party in the jungle and Bubble Bear and Timmy Tiger, they were there for the party. When you go to the party, you dress up yourself with the new clothes. Like Bubble Bear also wore a lovely coat. When Timmy Tiger saw him, Timmy Tiger said, "Good evening, Bubble. That is a lovely coat you are wearing." Bubble Bear said, "Thank you, Timmy." Timmy Tiger was admiring Bubble Bear's clothes from top to bottom, but his eyes stopped on his belly. He spoke into Bubble Bear's ear. Here, Timmy Tiger was admiring Bubble Bear's clothes from top to bottom. Admiring meaning is look at with pleasure. When his eyes stopped on his belly, he found that something is missing. And he spoke into Bubble Bear's ear. "But your belly button is missing." You can see the picture carefully. As he said, "Your belly button is missing," suddenly the Bubble Bear became upset. Bubble Bear was upset and he ran out. Timmy Tiger ran behind him. Timmy Tiger said, "What is going on, Bubble? Where are you going?" What do you think? Why the Bubble Bear ran out? Because the Bubble Bear was upset and he was worried about he do not have a belly button. Bubble Bear reached Dr. Dog's clinic. When he reached to the Dr. Dog's clinic, you can observe the picture carefully. Clinic. Coco Cat was closing the door. Coco cat. She was closing the door. You can see the bubble bear is more worried. Bubble bear said, "Where is Dr. Dog? I need to meet him." Coco cat said, "Dr. Dog has gone home." Let us stop here with reading the story and let's go for solving the worksheet. Worksheet unit number 1, Friends Forever, subtopic the belly button. Match the following. You have to match the following: cat, bear, tiger. Name of the animals of the story and their names of the story. Bubble, Timmy, Coco. This is question number 1. Question number 2 is draw the face picture of the story animals. You have to draw only the face picture. Timmy tiger, Bubble bear, Coco cat, Mrs. Dog and Dr. Dog. Also, as we learned before about the common and proper nouns, underline common nouns with the red color and proper nouns with blue color. Page number 8 and 9. You have to read the page number 8 and 9 carefully and find out the common and proper nouns. Common nouns underline with the red color, proper nouns underline with the blue color. Also, read the page number 8 and 9 and discuss with your parents about the story why the bubble bear was upset. Till the time, and let us meet into the next session. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.